I have drawn the diagram, but I want to show you what I did. 180 is equal to 36 times 5. And 216 is equal to 36 times 6. You need to know that 216 is 6 cubed. After that, you can realize the highest common factor is 36 for 180 and 216. Then we have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for vertical dimensions. And if you count the number of the trees in each line, we have 7. And how many lines we have? 7 times 6 is equal to 42. You can answer the question like this. The distance between two trees is 36.